ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ,
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐ.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಏನು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ಇಟ್.
Hello viewers, welcome to Campus Eye, the show that brings you news from colleges in and around Mangaluru. I am Akshita, your host for today. Let us have a quick look at the headlines.
The Department of Journalism of St. Aloysius College organizes a one-day awareness program on transgenders. The Hindi Department of St. Aloysius College celebrates the Hindi Day. Finance Association of University College Mangalore organizes an intercollegiate music competition. The Biotechnology Department of St. Aloysius College conducts a 3-day national symposium.
Transgender is now officially declared as a third gender by the Supreme Court. In order to spread an awareness about the challenges faced by the transgenders, the Department of Journalism of St. Aloysius College organized a one-day seminar on the unheard voices of the unspoken mass.
The Unheard Voices of the Unspoken Mass, conducted on 23rd January 2015, was an awareness program that commenced with a prayer song. It was followed by a warm welcome. An introductory session about transgenders and their issues was given by Dr. Rosevira D'Souza.
I consider this is a golden evening which should go in the annals of the history of our college, where we have joined together with our friends led by Akai Padmashali for a cause of inclusive society. It was long due in this educational institutions like us, which is part of the civic society, as sexual orientations against the binary of male and female and its rigidity is so enormously looming large in our society.
Ms. Akahi Padmashali, the keynote addresser, strove to tear down the walls of bias and misconception held by the general public about the transgenders.
I am not a Chakra, I am not a Wombat, I am not a Shella, I am not a Napumsaka, I am not Namadha, I am not Shikandi. With proud, with dignity, I claim I am women without vagina, I am a women without uterus, I am a women without breast, I am a women without periods. I challenge the norms which are made by the patriarchy and do claim I am a woman.
Speaking to Campus Eye, Ms. Akahi Padmashali spoke about the rejection transgenders face by the general public, wherein they don't get due respect.
Lost. Like all this time you are rejected, and we are searching for a safer space where we get acceptance. We are searching for a space where we are looking for loving, we are looking for care, but that is very, very lack when it comes to our community members. The amount when you are on street for doing sex work and begging, you are really to have that lack of spaces for public access, that could be public transportation.
Student coordinator conveyed his gratitude towards the department and management of St. Aloysius College.
When we went to Bangalore, we saw that there was a sexual minority community which was fighting for its rights very actively, whereas that was not taking place in Bangalore. Thanks to our principal who agreed for that our department can have this program, and we are really happy that we could organize such a meaningful event during this day within a short period.
दक्षिण भारत में हिंदी भाषा को उतनी एवं प्रगति को ध्यान में रखते हुए सेंट अलोयसियस विद्यालय के हिंदी विभाग ने एक दिवसीय अंतर विद्यालय प्रतियोगिता का संयोजित रचाया।
मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर मालती भट्ट ने हिंदी की प्रामुख्यता के बारे में बात की। उन्होंने कहा कि आजकल के बच्चे हिंदी में ज्यादातर वार्तालाप नहीं कर रहे हैं।
अक्षर अविनाशी शब्द ब्रह्म ध्वनि सृष्टि का स्पंदन धन्य हो हिंदी भाषा नागरी तुझको नमन।
इस विद्यालय के मुख्योपाध्याय आदरणीय फादर स्वीबर्ट डिसिल्वा सभा में उपस्थित प्रेक्षकों को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि उन्हें गर्व है कि ये हर वर्ष हिंदी दिवस का श्रद्धापूर्वक आचरण करते आ रहे हैं।
The Hindi department of St. Aloysius College is organizing this prerana, inspiration. The way this association is conducting Hindi Sangha, is conducting various activities in this college, is surely an inspiration for many to join the Hindi Sangha and also to learn Hindi.
प्रतियोगिता में आए हुए विद्यार्थी ने अपने उत्साह जगते हुए ये कहा,
मुख्य अतिथि जो थे वो हिंदी के रूप में अध्यक्ष के रूप में काम करते हैं और उन्होंने बड़े अच्छी स्पीच दी और बताया कि हिंदी सभी जगह पे इस्तेमाल होता है। अभी इनॉग्रेशन खत्म होने
अंताक्षरी और डिबेट स्किट कॉलेज और अलग अलग कार्यक्रम हर बच्चों को ताकि वो ऊपर और जाके कुछ दूसरे कॉलेज जाके पार्टिसिपेट कर सके। और थोड़ी देर पहले आलस कॉलेज जाके आए और हम ओवरऑल हर साल विन के आए हमारे हिंदी संघ की ओर से। और मैं ये ज़्यादा बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ, मैं आज 14 साल प्रेरणा की वजह प्रेरणा चल रहा है हमारे हिंदी फेस्ट और हर कार्यक्रम।
The nation is popularly known for unity in diversity. This includes music, especially the rich variety of music around the states that defines the identity India. To celebrate this diversity, Fine Arts Association of the University College Mangaluru organized intercollegiate music competition.
The inauguration program began at 10:30 a.m. Dr. Nagaratna N. Rao, Faculty and Vice President of Fine Arts Association, mentioned about the richness and indispensability of music. She also reminded the audience that music enlightens both heart, mind and soul.
ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಸುನಂದಾ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಆತ್ಮೀಯವಾದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದಂತಹ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ಸರ್ ಇವರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷದಂತೆ ಈ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಕಲಾ ಭವನ ಮತ್ತು ಶಿವರಾಮ ಕಾರಂತ ಭವನ ಈ ಎರಡೂ ಭವನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಸಂಗೀತ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಲಲಿತಕಲಾ ಸಂಘದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಸಂಘದ ಉಪನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರ ಸಹಕಾರದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ದಿವಸ ನಾವು ಫೈನ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಇಂಟರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ.
The program was followed with arrays of performance enthralling the listeners. Students from 11 colleges around Mangalore participated. Varieties of music genres like pop, classical, contemporary, and so on. The program is held annually where students from various colleges around Mangalore participated for the overall trophy. The Fine Arts Association was encouraged to see the positive turn-up of the students this year and expect better response in the near future.
Here in Bangalore, and I'm proud to be Northeast representing here in Bangalore to expose our culture to the people of the rest of the Indian society. And I'm proud to be here once again, and we are surely and we are confident enough and we are well prepared enough. We do hope that we present well and we hope we'll back something for our college.
The field of biotechnology is making huge leaps on a daily basis, yet the common man remains oblivious to these developments. To bridge the knowledge gap between common man and biotechnology, a 3-day national seminar was held at St. Aloysius College.
The 3-day symposium titled Biotechnology and Molecular Biology for Industry and Common Man was held between January 29 to 31st. Students from various parts of the country flocked to St. Aloysius College to attend this groundbreaking seminar. Dr. Jitendra P. Kurna inaugurated the symposium.
Tissue culture still remains the basis of all plant genetic transformation and GM crops which are being worked out these days. That's the very purpose also of the association, that we move every year to a different location within India, go to remote places to be able to popularize this particular science and also enthuse young students to take up science as a career, and also showing opportunities in plant biotechnology. So I'm sure this is going to be very, very rewarding for students of Aloysius College.
Poster presentation on molecular biology, plant tissue culture, biodiversity and environment, secondary metabolites were the attraction of the symposium.
Coupled with the PTCA meeting, and I am one of the PTCA members, and I am really very happy to find out that in 2004 also we had a PTCA meeting coupled with the symposia over here. It was that during that time also very nice, and that encouraged me to once again come back to this place. And during that time I was a PhD student, and fortunately by God's grace now I am a faculty member, so it's altogether a new experience for me to be treated like a teacher, and earlier I was a student.
This is a national seminar on biotechnology and molecular biology for common and industry purpose. So basically there's a lot of buzz about biotechnology, that is common men are not aware, and most of the industrial applications, there is a wide variety of industrial application which the common men or many of the students itself, they are not very much versed with why is biotechnology, where is biotechnology used. So this is one eye-opening seminar, I could say, to introduce people, to introduce students, to introduce industrialists on how biotechnology and molecular biology could be used.
That's all for this week. We'll be back next week with more campus stories. Same day, same channel and same time. Till then, this is Akshita signing off. Keep watching Campus Eye.
Welcome to Campus Eye.
Right now, I'm standing in front of
Sridevi Institute of Technology.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್.